Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Python Gurukul. Today we'll be talking about Chat GPT. If you have not heard about this, then I will introduce it to you. But every day in the news from last 1 month, every day we are reading about the Chat GPT. So let's see how we can take help of Chat GPT and write Python programs. So just look for ChatGPT and it will launch to chat OpenAI. We have different way of login. We'll just say that login and let's use your Google account. I'll be using my existing Google account. So we'll say that continue with Google, select my account. So for authentication, I'm using my Gmail account. Track with. We have lots of things, examples, capabilities, limitation, and some more information here. But let's directly jump to this text box. And here we'll say that Python program to add two numbers. And let's see what ChatGPT says. So now it is trying to compile my request and going to provide the solutions. And we have one function with all the code. It is going to take two input parameter, work on them, pass them. So it's really nicely written program. I'm really impressed with it. So let's copy this program, add two numbers. I save the program. We'll go to the command prompt. We'll say Python. We'll say Python, add two numbers. First number 111, second number 222, and the result is 3. That was really impressive. The next question I'm going to ask, this question have been asked in most of the basic interview. So write a Python program to reverse given string. And let's see what ChatGPT says. Uh, just showcasing that how we can call that. So it has defined the function, and the beauty of this is it has defined in one line. So it is just going to say that input a string, call the function, and this is the function it has written, and we are just going to check that what's happening here. So once again, we'll copy this entire program and reverse string dot py. Go to the command prompt. Let's run the program. So Python reverse string dot py. Okay, I'll give my name, and the reverse of the string is wizard. Last program with ChatGPT, and we'll request Python to write a program with a single linked list. It has created one class node, and then we are creating another class linked list, and then the function to traverse through the all the item, and then some examples. So here we are calling the linked list, and then we are adding some node, and at the end we are displaying. So let's copy this whole program. Once again, we'll just go ahead, create another one, save that, and save again. Go ahead, call the program linked list.py 321. So really impressed with the way we are sending the request, we are sending the question, and Chat GPT is compiling and giving the answer in detail. I'm really impressed with that. Okay, so that's all I had for you today. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.